Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Ferrari 458 Spider. This two-door convertible has an 8-cylinder, 4.5-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ferrari is a steal with less than 6,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 17 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include Bluetooth, MP3 player, anti-lock brakes, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.